XRP Army, get ready. Your time is finally almost here. Find out what this gigantic XRP rumor is. And we're going to talk about whether it's fact or fiction. Let's get it. Welcome to Ben Armstrong Crypto X. Don't just trade crypto, experience it. That's right, guys. Today, we're going to be taking a look at XRP. You guys know I am the Master Commander of the XRP Army. Do not think that just because I am the Sultan of Solana, I'm like David Carvey in that movie where he played a turtle. You guys know that one. Turtle? Okay, whatever. No, I think it was his neck. Turtle? You guys know what I'm talking about. Point is, though, guys, it's almost a meme at this point, I guess, kind of. I reached back out to Mr. X to let you guys know. You guys followed a lot of his content with us back in 2021. And, you know, this time I've decided I'm also going to show some screenshots of some things. Some things that will definitely make him protected. You guys are seeing that this is real stuff. I mean, you guys are going to find that the things that I talk about that he's telling me, that he was telling me last time, are not things that I know. They're not things we've talked about. And one of the things that I believe I was wrong on, and Mr. X has shown me that potentially this could be coming very, very, very soon down the pipes, is an XRP ETF. We all know an IPO is coming. We see it. The writing is on the wall. The IPO is coming. We all see it. However, an XRP ETF is a little interesting, and here's why. Because it seemed like, to me, the ETF boys, we've just been one of traditional finance boys, when they've just been playing in the XRP sandbox. I don't know. But you know, traditional investors are now saying, from what I'm hearing, that they want XRP. They want XRP, guys. It's regulated, guys. This is one thing that you're not thinking about when you're in the XRP Army and you're getting impatient, is that it's going to take a while for people to really understand that this is over, that XRP is not a security. And by the way, that process is going to be completed. That process is going to be completed. Gosh, it's something I can't even, I don't even want to tell you guys this. This is too much. This is going to get your hope. This is going to get your head too big. This opium's going to be too much for you guys. You're not going to be able to contain yourselves. And it's going to be bad. You guys are going to, you know, your heart's going to explode. I don't want that for you. But what have I told you? That, and this makes sense. This makes sense, guys. Okay, it makes sense. An ETF is coming in April. What? Did I say coming? An ETF is not coming in April. Let me rephrase that. I believe, and what I've been told, is that most likely, it's not a done deal, in April of 2024. That's right, guys. That is 4 months from now. We are going to be seeing an application for an XRP ETF. Now, I do want to say this. We are getting this application, I believe, very soon. But the thing is it's going to be from a big issuer. Or I don't know what you call it, issuer, holder, whatever. I think it's issuer. And that is going to be most likely BlackRock. BlackRock is going to come in and they're going to file this. Guys, the BlackRock Ethereum ETF, and I'm only telling you guys this, and this is what's really important about going through this narrative this year, getting back in touch with Mr. X, and we're not going to rely on Mr. X 100%. And even he tells me, that, you know, this isn't 100%, but it's most likely going to happen. And a lot of the way that I worded things last time were bad. I want you guys to understand this, okay? Is that, and this is exactly what I mean when I say information coming to me that doesn't fit my narrative, what I've been saying. My narrative has been, I think Ethereum ETF is approved at the end of this bull run in early 2025, Q1 of 2025. He's telling me he thinks it gets approved soon, like before April. That Ethereum ETF gets approved before April. That will be absolutely insane. But the fact is that, guys, can you imagine us going into the halving with news like this? It is absolutely insane when you think about it. We never dreamed that this kind of stuff could be possible, and yet here we are. And the fact is, there's a reason for this April. There's a reason for this April date. You have to understand, in April, of 2024, guess what? April 29th. That is the last date where Judge Torres can complete the lawsuit, that it can end. It'll be completely over by April 29th. So what that means is Mr. X has been telling me that April is going to be a big month. Real quick, guys, I'm at halftime of this game. I had to come out. I'm watching a basketball game right now. I had to realize that you guys didn't get your mid-roll. You didn't get your Stake mention, and Stake is the main sponsor of the Armstrong Crypto X show. It is powered by Stake. That's what allows us to give you all this free content all the time. Make sure to check out the QR code on the screen or link in the description. Go sign up for an account on Stake, and hopefully all these people behind me are blurred out because, hey, they wouldn't want to be associated with the world's largest social casino, am I right? Because you see, traditionally, we see Bitcoin go down in price right after the halving. We see a lot of these projects go down in price right after the halving. It doesn't immediately make it go up. It makes it go up over time, over a 1.5 year period. It's parabolic, but it doesn't go up immediately overnight. But what we could be looking at here is April could actually be the most bullish month. And that's going to be heading into the summer where the government's going to be trying to make the economy look fantastic. So there you go, guys. Ethereum ETF possibly approved Q1 this year. And then you're also looking at a possible XRP ETF application by BlackRock by the end of April. That April 29th date pretty much guarantees XRP is not going to be seen as a security officially in a regulatory stance by the end of April. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think. What is your XRP price prediction if this happens? Are we going to the moon or not? All right, guys. Make sure to hit the like button on your way out. Helps us keep the lights on.